Are you losing your home to foreclosure? This doesn't have to happen. My name is John Park and I'm here to help you. I don't know if you've been paying attention to the news reports, but 85% of these loans have been fraudulent loans created by the bank. It's been on 60-minute news segments and everywhere else about what they've been doing as far as creating documents to foreclosure in your house that they don't even own anymore. Same thing happens if you're upside down in your house but current. You're paying on a mortgage that in all probability has already been paid off. So the question is, are you a victim of mortgage or foreclosure fraud and don't know it? Most people would say yes. Discover how these lender violations can be used to get your equity back or to stop your foreclosure action on the bank. I deal with this every day, stopping these illegal foreclosure actions. Call me today so I can help you save your home at 407-257-4648.